Welcome to Whispers. Oh my God. Oh, it's been all kinds of interesting movies being dished out by the Nigerian government and the actors and actresses, and one of such is Elirufaya, Cardinal Middle Finger, Mr. Pinky, Kurumbite, ènìyàn kúkúrú bìlì sí. We go start short man devil, Rufaya. So, Rufaya has been throwing tantrum. He's been acting up. He's been punching the hair, and ever since he was rejected by the Senate, he was supposed to be a minister in this Briti political Briti government. So he was rejected, and the shock. Oh my God, Rufai was slapped. He was slapped real hard across the face. That he was like, no, he doesn't want it anymore, whatever, that kind of a way that he can't be bothered. But from holding vacation, he's bothered, that kind of a way. So, Rufai has been doing a lot. One of his such doings are two that I find quite interesting and entertaining, and it's kind of satirically comical, coming from Rufai. Rufai couldn't handle rejection because he was rejected. Like Sani was called him all sorts of names, called him the snake. Sunny Share will blow the trumpet. Sunny Share was a whistleblower. I was like, no, don't let Rufai into this government. I mean, like, it's gonna spoil the whole show. So Rufai with his tail in between his legs now went on a space, and it's quite interesting. So we're gonna find out what he has to say. So, with the headline of "Man to Man is so unjust," can you beat that, Rufai? Elirufaya, saying man to man is so unjust. So now is not only easy. He's turned to a rastafarian, rugged man, I is last year, so he's not a reggae artist. So to pass the message across, he knows who he's talking to. They are all talking to each other in codes, but we'll try and read in between the lines and see whatever it is they're passing across. So come along with me as well. Dive into this Rastafarian within the musical genre of reggae. So we've now moved from the movie side. We are now in the musical section, and to open the musical section floor of this comical drama in Tinubu's government is no other than a standing ovation for El Kaduna Little Finger. Onífìlà pé kí abójú ṣonpala, abetí yanyan bí etí ehoro. Elirufaya. Yo, man. Yeah, man. So, the headline reads, "Man to Man is so unjust." Nasser El-Rufai drops cryptic tweet with Bob Marley's lyrics. Ó máa mọ̀jọ orogún jà. Of course, ilé olórogún ló ti jáde, so orin ọ̀tẹ̀ ó máa wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀. So, former governor, former náà ni, rejected ministerial nominee. His tininess, his sharpness, his shortness. Elirufaya on Sunday posted a cryptic message on social media weeks after his ministerial nomination was not confirmed by the Senate. In a post shared on his account, the ex-governor, rejected ministerial nominee, dropped lyrics of Who the Cap Fits. Oh, ooh, bro, brah. He Who the Cap Fits. That's a big one. By the late Jamaican singer Bob Marley. Elirufaya stated, Bob Marley, of blessed memory, is one of the most talented musicians of all time. My love for reggae music is connected with his songs and music. Oh, this is another side of Rufaya. So, Rufaya, you being a jihadist, jihadist debi reggae. So you are listening to reggae. Wow. Interesting. The ex-governor rejected ministerial nominee. Thereafter posted the lyrics of the song. So guys, this is it. Man to man is so unjust. Children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend your worst enemy. It's vice versa. Or is applicable to you, poly killers, poly stealers, you career political thieves. You are so unjust to the masses now. You don't even trust each other. You guys are strange bedfellows. You keep hopping your political harlots. Keep mixing, keep jumping from one party to another. So, excuse me. Some will drink and eat with you. Some will eat and drink with you. Then behind them, shush upon you. Wow. Tinubu, tòótọ́ dẹ̀ ni o, ìwọ àti Elirufaya kùrùkẹ́rẹ́ all of you are doing kùrùkẹ́rẹ́ tó ní Tinubu ló máa revive the naira, Tinubu ló máa They don't show Rufaya. There is trouble in paradise. Within the carcass of the carcass, within the cabals, within the criminal politicians. There's a need there's fire on the mountain. Rufaya, Jawatan, Rufaya. Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí báyìí? Pẹ̀lẹ́ tí ẹ. Only your friend know your secrets, so only him could reveal it. This is two-edged sword. Ta ló máa ṣèrí ẹ̀? Ta ni wọ́n máa ṣèrí wọn? Jẹ́ kìí ṣe pàkàrà ti fẹ́ tó sépo báyìí. And who the cap fit, let them wait. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé ọmọ onílọ́wọ́ mi èmi náà nílọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Elirufaya was one of the 48 ministerial nominees of Bola Tinubu sent to the Senate for confirmation. The Senate approved and confirmed the ministerial nominations of 45 appointees of Tinubu, but withheld the confirmation of Elirufaya and 2 others over security clearance. Ìgbà tí olóyè. Wọ́n slap Rufaya o. wọ́n ti gbá létí eyín ẹ̀ tí yọ. Security clearance tó tọ́ ni because látìgbà tí wọ́n ti fi Rufai sí ministerial appointee ṣe mọ̀ pé a sinmi kò sí any Boko Haram attacks kò sí kinní kan báyìí sí wọ́n tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fáyà o. Meanwhile, what is this man that died said one of the governors is the Boko Haram gangan. Ìgbà tí ó wọlé yẹn àti ló jáde security clearance. Ìyẹn náà da gbogbo wọn náà èèyàn búburú èèyàn tí ò dá mọ̀ èèyàn tí ò dá mọ̀ kàn wọ́n ẹni tó máa sọ fún ni. Rufai singi no amẹ́ni lórí wá pọ̀ tó Rufai gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ti ẹ̀kọ́ all the verses kí ló fi ṣe èèyàn kí ló kọrọ àwa bá má bẹ́ẹ̀ ká said I throw me corn me no call no foul ó jágbàdo Rufai ṣe bíbẹ́ yìí náà ṣe ń jágbàdo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń jágbàdo sáwọn mẹ̀kúnnù nìyẹn tẹ́ ń jágbàdo lẹ̀ mú wọn tí wọ́n mọ́lé fi ibi pa wọn wá jágbàdo lẹ̀ adìyẹ tẹ́bi bá ti pa tó bá rágbàdo á sáré sí it's the reverse is not the case now. I throw me corn me no call foul ní ìsìn kọ́ọ̀nù ti tiẹ̀ nǹkan tí kọ́ọ̀nù ti tiẹ̀ ó jágbàdo lọ Tinubu dàgbàdo Tinubu òun ti kú rí yẹ ibà ṣáìdì Tinubu ó dàgbàdo ministerial appointment ó dalẹ̀ meanwhile Rufai ò kì í jágbàdo àkùkọ bàbá mi kan láíláí àkùkọ bàbá mi kan láíláí Rufai kì í jágbàdo so I say cook clock yeah sórí ìgbà tí wò ń jágbàdo tó tẹ̀ wá ní àgbàdo eléyìí o bẹ́ẹ̀ ràdà kò ń tẹ̀sẹ̀ bọ́jẹ́ manage ẹ̀ báyìí bó ṣe ń sáré lọ Rufai bó ṣe ń sáré lọ pé kó tiẹ̀ manage àgbàdo báyìí ọmọ wọ́n kọ̀ pa ńlẹ̀ ni wọ́n kọ̀ páàkì ẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ ni páàkì tí wọ́n páàkì ẹ̀ lẹ́bọ̀ ọmọ ó bá rẹ̀ ẹnu pọ́ọ̀tù ni ó farabalẹ̀ sí ìjìnà dín ni. àwọn senate wọ́n wá bẹ́ẹ̀ kóná mọ́ wọ́n roast oh my God wọ́n roast Rufai ó jóná gúrúgúrú ni gúrúgúrú ló jóná òkú kan bẹ́yìn náà ṣe ń dàgbàdo sílẹ̀ fáwọn mẹ̀kúnnù nìyẹn àtọmọ tálíkà tẹ́ wá sọ wọ́n di adìyẹ ẹ wá ń pa wọ́n jẹ ẹ̀yin kàn ń pa wọ́n jẹ lọ ni ẹ kàn ń pa wọ́n jẹ lọ kí ló tún wí yìí sókè Rastafari yìí sókè o musician Rufai ó ní some will hate you pretend they love you now then behind they will eliminate absolutely ó sojú abẹ́ ń kó tó túmọ̀ sí pé Tinubu àtàwọn tó súnmọ́ wọn kò sẹ́ni gbà tiẹ̀ wọ́n gbà tiẹ̀ ṣe bí gbogbo yín ẹjọ́ di ẹ̀jẹ̀ sínú tutọ́ funfun síta ojú ayé lẹ́jọ́ ṣe fúnra yín of course wọ́n ti eliminate man ọmọ jagbọn síkọ́ na that you go take am how you for do now how you for do but who Jah bless no one can cause ọ̀rọ̀ já lélẹ̀ ọgbẹ́ yóò ṣe máa gbé já sí ń bolo fànà bí sí. Rufai ń bolo fànà bí sí who Jah bless no one can cause thank God we are past the worst Rufai tí past the worst the worst is yet to come this humiliation It's in the history books. Atoba history, the events of 2023, 2023. Wọ́n máa sọ eléyìí. Ara events, landmark events ni. Kò ń ṣàbùkù kékeré ló kan. Kò ń ṣàbùkù kékeré ló kan. We are past the worst. Lápá abo tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Hypocrites and parasites will come up and take a bite. Ìwọ gangan lolórí alábòsí now. You are so parasitic. Ìwọ àtàwọn ẹ̀yin ará òkè ọ̀yà. Oh, you guys are parasites. You are even parasites to your people. To your people. You lord it over them. You take the best of the best from them. You suck. Gbogbo life wọn báyìí lẹ́ti gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn. Lẹ́nu ẹ̀ Rufai, hypocrites, alábòsíyá, tó bá wọn alábòsí tó wọn alábòsíyá, ṣekúṣe ẹyọ olójú méjì, kó lé ẹ̀mí dà sílé ẹṣin, kó mú ẹṣin dà sílé ẹran, kó sọ wọn wájú pọ̀ mọ́ dí ìpàkọ́. Rufai, you're number one. You're number one. And if your night should turn today, a lot of people would run away. Tẹ́lẹ̀ ńkọ́. Ìgbà pọ́njú làmọ́ rẹ̀. Oh, you've just come to realize that. Welcome to the club. Àmọye ìgbà tí night àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù tó ti dán today. Kí náà rí ṣe sí? Kò sí. And who the cap fits, let them wear it. Ó fit ìwọ náà. Ó ti dé bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Mọ́kànmọ́kàn ló yẹ kàn. Rufai, ó dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ wọn. On the show Sofikira level ló wà. So you are suffering from ṣàlàyé mighty sensing. Ìwọ náà ti ń ṣàlàyé. Gbogbo yìí ṣàlàyé kódà. Kí ló tún sọ ó ní? And then I'm gonna throw me corn. And then I'm gonna call no foul. And then I'm gonna cook. Tẹ́lẹ̀ ńkọ́. Some will eat with you, some will drink with you, then behind you. Tẹ́lẹ̀ ńkọ́. Gbogbo yín náà lè máa sọra yín fara yín. Ṣé rí the corn, the national cake tẹ́ ṣì ń rí gé, tẹ́ ṣì ń rí share, ó sì máa dry. Ó máa dry. Àwọn masses wá true yín ní corn. Corn náà fi yà. Ẹ̀yin á wá di fowl. Tó máa ṣèṣe bá ti true corn, ẹ̀yin á wá farabalẹ̀ sẹ́yìn jiná. Wọ́n máa sẹ́yìn jiná. Table ó ti turn already. This is so interesting. Really? They throw you corn. How does it feel like? I'm quite sure that the taste of it is not palatable to you. But that is the reality. Àtòríláyé, ó ti fi síwájú, ó ti wá fi sẹ́yìn báyìí sìn. Ó ti fi sẹ́yìn báyìí sìn. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. So this is so. I am like, I can't wait to see people's reaction to the latest reggae musician in town. So let's find out what people are saying. Somebody said, "Hi, Rastaman Elirufaya, what a guan. You Rastaman is very greedy, absolutely wicked and stingy. Only Jah has rejected you to save the lives of masses, man." What? Àló ò dáa. Ìjàpá bínú gbágùngbágùn, abara gíọgíọ. Ò dáa. Ó fi bì kankan dáa. Pẹ̀lú ojú ẹ̀rọ gọ̀dọ̀ yẹn. Tí wàá wá gbégò sí orí imú. Àwítọ́ wọn ló sí lọ́jọ́ wo. Wọ́n á say, it's amazing how most evil people think they are innocent. Wow, yes, Yes, I mean, just imagine. Just imagine, can you, Elirufaya of all people, acting innocent. Hmm. He pain am, oh. He pain, no be small, oh. Oh, he dey pain am. Said somebody. Hmm? Will he go Rasta? I don't think so because when the cap was off his head, the head don't pow. Orí ti pàdé almost the back of the head. Orí ẹ̀ pa, sórí ẹ̀ pa ṣá. Mi ò rò pé ó máa ṣe o, but tó bá fẹ́ make it more convincing, marketable, ó yẹ kó ṣe Rasta, ó yẹ kó go Rasta. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. He has passed a message to those who are concerned. Of course. Ó dùn gan. Ọmọ. Oh, just a party. Kíákíá ló di reggae artist. When you see Aboki, they play reggae. So funny. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Mi ò tẹ́wọ̀ pé ó lè gbọ́. Mi ò mọ̀ pé ó ń gbá reggae gan. You are crying because your deal with Tinubu went bad. Would you be here seeking public sympathy and attention if he had gone the other way? I wonder, torí pé kò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe fa ariwo ta o. Ta ló wá gba feeding bottle lẹ́nu ẹ̀? Ta ló gba ọ̀gá? You are a shameless man. Absolutely. With all due respect, only the mercy of God can help you. The week before you handed over, you still carried out demolition exercise and innocent souls died. You said lots of despicable stuff. Benny, privately, openly, and even on the hair in TV stations, in interviews. It's so condescending. Like father, like son. Ọmọ ẹ̀ náà tó ṣọrun bí ọrùn àgùnfọn yẹn. Ọmọ ẹ̀ náà, ìwọ ẹ̀ náà ló mú, apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Somebody said, why don't you quote Herdsman's song? Why don't you quote Herdsman's song? Is Bob Marley a Muslim? May the blood of Southern Cardinal wash away your slave forever. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ó ti wá jẹ́ Bob Marley ló lọ. Àwọn Herdsmen ṣáà ní orin. Kò rí yẹn gbọ́. But tó bá play yẹn, a lè má gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ. So, just to pass the message across. Láti jẹ́ ká mọ̀. Meanwhile, àwọn Herdsmen àwọn ò gbọ́ Bob Marley. He's playing two sides of the coin. Tó bá fẹ́ bá àwọn Herdsmen sọ̀rọ̀, á sọ láwúsá, á sọ Fúlàní. Tó bá fẹ́ bá àwọn two-faced son of the gun, another politician turned musician in action. Frustration, they give lyrics. Why are all these disappointed politicians turning into emergency musicians? Dino don dey drop albums now. Elirufaya don't join. God punish all of them. Amen. God will punish all of them. Openly, not secretly, because we need to sing. Since he has been in power, he did not remember Bob Marley. He should go and relax. Let other people continue. It's not your inheritance. Benny. Another person said, this shows that in your privacy, those people will think a deep Islamic belief. Those people will think are deep in Islamic belief. Do listen to music coming from a renowned Indian hymn smoker. What a disappointment. They use religion, Christian, Islam, to deceive, hiding their real self. Only God knows those who are his true followers. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Ọlọ́run ọba ló mẹni tó ń sìn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, shameless religious bigots. You forgot the fact nothing on this earth is hidden from God, right? The insecurity in Kaduna or anywhere in Nigeria, if your hands are in it, God will surely reward you well based on that. What goes up must come down. No one runs away with evil without punishment. Benny, somebody said, emergency rasitarferian. Yeah, man. Laugh at that. If you like, keep giving incompetence excuses. Benny. Oga don't tell musician, Naija politics go up humble you, sha. Idiot. Is it a must to always be in corridor of power? After all, you said you don't really want to serve publicly again, wicked man. The state you rule is still reeling from incessant attack on the Hausa region. Nigeria has happened to him. Absolutely. Nigeria has happened to him. Tinubu èmi ló kàn has happened to him. Ó ti wá kó nìkan báyìí. Ó ti kàn Rufai, it don't happen to you. Tinubu don't happen to you. Just like Buhari was happening to the masses. And you yourself, Rufaya, hell, you gave your people hell. You happened to them. So, you surely gbas go stone buff when it's gonna be from all corners. You will happen to yourself again. The masses is gonna happen to you people because you people individually and collectively has been happening to the masses. So the masses is gonna happen to you. Oh, Mamurale. So after crying, so he tried being a musician, but his musical career just went down. He didn't even see light of the day. So he went back to his old political self, and this time around, Rufai kill with regards to this ECOWAS thing going on. So in another headline, Rufai wants ECOWAS against military intervention in Nigeria. So Nasser El-Rufai has warned the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, against considering military intervention in the Nigeria Republic. This comes after ECOWAS chairperson Bola Tinubu declared that the group has decided to employ force as a last resort if the Nigerian coup leaders do not cede control to dispose Mohamed Bazoum. In a tweet on Tuesday, El-Rufai said a war within the sub-region would be a war between brothers. Brothers. Okay, let's see. As ECOWAS beats the drums of war, I recall the 1970s rock classic by Dire Straits, Brothers in Arms. Okay, music alone reign singing. Because a war within the sub-region is a war between brothers, El-Rufai tweeted. Indeed, the people of Nigeria Republic are one, and the same with those living in northern Nigeria. Let us bend, therefore, over backwards to avoid this civil war between brothers. Last Thursday, after a meeting of the Bloc's defense chiefs in Accra, Ghana's capital city, ECOWAS said it has begun activating its standby force in Nigeria. The defense chiefs supported demands for diplomacy as a technique for mediating, but the group claimed that every aspect of possible military involvement had been planned and was being fine-tuned. This included the time and resources needed and how, where, and the day to deploy such force. El-Rufai's call to avoid military intervention in Nigeria is the most recent appeal from stakeholders in northern Nigeria. The Northern Senators Forum had also asked Tinubu to exhaust all diplomatic means in resolving the crisis. Okay. So, well, it's just sucky for sucking sake. Just anything so. But let's see what are people saying. So let's find out. Again, the elephant in Nigeria's room of ethnic messiahs is beginning to stir. Benny, and it is the Nigerian coup that has roused it once more. Several arguments have been made for and against the ECOWAS approach to the coup in the Nigeria Republic, which can be broadly classified as those arguments that are correct opposition to the result of force, albeit backed by wrong reasons, ethnic, regional, religious sentiments. The correct arguments supported by conspiracy theories derive from hypocritical anti-impressionist sentiments, and the correct arguments justified by the right reasons, rational interests and security, the rule of law and democracy. Relatedly, the interventions and comments of some of our northern Nigerian compatriots on this issue is disturbing, absolutely, and make one seriously doubt where their loyalty really lies. Because, even boldly, even in between the lines, their body language, their emotions, everything. Oh, gago. And what their nationality truly is. Absolutely. Wọ́n tẹ̀ ti tẹ́tí wọn ti ní àwọn lè bá Níjẹ̀ lọ tàbí káwọn lọ Cameroon. We have seen some of our northern Nigerian patriots being unable to distinguish the role, the stance of Tinubu on this issue as chairman of ECOWAS from his role as Nigeria's president, such that they have started to read ethnic and regional meanings into his stance. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, it's hypocrisy, àbòsí náà ni, they know now. Do they want to say they don't know? They know now. It's àbòsí. It's àbòsí now. So, it's àbòsí now. Oh, wow. Just imagine. And issue threats indicating they will work against Nigeria. Of course, you want to work against Nigeria. When they were at this, I can't remember the international voting again. Buhari voted against Nigeria. He voted for Niger. He gave the vote to Niger. He didn't vote for his own country. So, what work against Nigeria? Well, work against Nigeria and what you attack the military. The plane to crash of recent with soldiers killed. It wasn't coincidental. It was a calculated, perfect execution. So what are we saying? Of course, it will work against Nigeria now. In the event that ECOWAS ultimately resorts to its last option of force, they seem to believe that ECOWAS should drop its principled stance against the unconstitutional change of government in Nigeria Republic because it was carried out by someone of their own ethnic and religious stock. And this raises serious questions about their motives and the genuineness of their purported belief in democracy and national unity at home. Well, they are all after the resources, the oil money. Can you imagine the Sultan of Sokoto, who is not an indigenous of the oil-producing area, has 12 wells, while the indigenous people of the oil-producing areas, all they get is destroyed environment, poverty. The Sultan of Sokoto, láti àníyàn nínú Sokoto, only 12 oil wells. So what are we now saying? They learned from the best, they learned from the masters, they learned from the colonialists. So it's the colonial masters' agenda that they are propagating. So, but bọ́ fẹ́ bọ́ ọkọ̀ kò sígbà tó ní kálukú ò ní jorúkọ ọba bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé bí wọ́n ní wọ́n ti rí epo nílé Haúsá? Zamfara dẹ̀ ti ní Zamfara, gold is for Zamfara. Kó ní kálukú máa lo natural resources wọn now. That will be respectable neighbors. So, àsopọ̀ tí ń fanú orí. Yes, so their purported belief in democracy and national unity at home. Furthermore, and if indeed they were so sincere about averting war, how come they've not been demonstrating with their Nigerian brothers over the chronic insecurity that presently beheaves northern Nigeria, more so when it is amply evident that the road to the insecurity in northern Nigeria passes through among several other lands of their brothers. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Mali nǹkan. Their so-called brothers. So, Nigerian Republic. What manner of Nigerian brother is this, who inadvertently strokes up fire in the backyard of their Nigerian brothers? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. When it was rampant, I think it was last year, people were saying, oh, the Fulanis that were kidnapping them, they were speaking French. Can you imagine? Ṣé French là ń sọ? Kì í ṣe Niger náà ti wá. Ṣé French là ń sọ? Sọ French náà. Ṣé bí torí ẹ̀ ni Buhari ṣe jẹ́ kó gbìn yẹ́? Ni ò ṣe jẹ́ kó mú wọn. Ni ò ṣe jẹ́ kó mú wọn. Ni ò ṣe jẹ́ kó ṣe anything sí wọn. Ẹ máa imagine Buhari àti Bazoum àti the West àti EU, France àti America wọ́n pass kí ni this what do they call pipeline láti Nàìjíríà lọ sí Niger lọ sí Morocco. Wọ́n fẹ́ petrol wa àti natural gas wa. Àwa tá a wà nìkan, people are suffering. The petrol people cannot afford it. Kí ló dé tó ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Àwọn akótilétà wọ́n máa America, France, EU wọ́n lè source for it somewhere else now, but because wọ́n fẹ́ sanwó, wọ́n fẹ́ wá kó lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Àwọn akótilétà tó bá ti fún wọn ní iye kékeré báyìí tó ti fi dí wọn lọ́nà fún wọn kí wá kó sínú bank account wọn ní foreign countries. Wọn ò ní kówó yẹn wá sí Africa kó wá fi invest gbogbo ẹ̀ máa tó boomerang. So that's Rufaya and their so-called brothers. So meanwhile, àwọn bandits, àwọn herdsmen tó ń ṣòro lápá àṣálẹ́. Tó bá ti mú wọn French náà sọ. Tó bá ti mú wọn báyìí, wọ́n ní order from above. Order from above kan tó wọ́n lẹ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n ti mọ̀. Rufaya dẹ̀ ti sọ, ó láwọn àwọn lọ pè wọ́n wá. Kódà wọ́n tún fún wọn lówó kán má bàa pa àwọn èèyàn mọ́. That is nonsense. In a sane environment. I mean, but eléyìí tí wọ́n dálẹ̀, wọ́n máa wá yanjú ẹ̀. It's gonna consume them. It is going to consume them. They've beaten more than they can chew. Now they are running helter-skelter. Wọ́n yanjú ẹ̀. They are running helter-skelter. Wọ́n máa yanjú ẹ̀. So guys, that is Elirufaya. That is ex governor rejected ministerial appointee. Cardinal middle finger Elirufaya throwing tantrums. And it's like music is the in thing now. So I don't expect much from all of them. They are all same old. Mo ṣáà mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó so wọ́n pọ̀ máa tún wọn ká. Nígbà tó bá yá, wọ́n máa jà síta. Ó ń rìn wọ́n ni. Tó bá yá, wọ́n máa jà síta. So all of them, they've been up to no good. Nothing to write home about. Àwọn ẹni àbárà káfíńtà, ẹni àbátà káfíńtà ti pa wọ́n láwọn ẹni àjítọ́ náwó. Òṣìṣẹ́ ń dáńgá ọbọ oníkà méjì. Bàbá ti Rufaya náà. Oh my God. Ó ṣẹ̀sìbí tó ṣẹ̀sì náà ni. Ó ṣẹ̀sìbí tó yẹ kó wà lẹ́wọ̀n. With serious charges, so but ìjọba tí wọ́n rọ̀nù sí ìjọba ta ló máa mú mi? Kò sẹ́ni máa mú wọn. Wọ́n kàn ń ṣe bó ṣe wù wọ́n ni. So it's over to the masses. When they've had enough, they will take action. So that is it. The politicians. Wọn pọ̀ tó the masses. The politicians, they have everything to lose. The masses are already on the ground. Àwọn ni wọ́n climb on high horses. Àwọn politicians, polikillers or policers, they are the ones living in glass house. Wọ́n live in glass house. wọ́n ń dúnkò sáwọn masses. Kò sí jàmbẹ́ táwọn masses táwọn náà bá ti gbé òkúta dání ògúlùtù àti àrà tó strong tó bá ti gbogbo glass house ọwọ́ ẹ̀ máa crumble. Ìgbà mélòó wọ́n máa crumble. So I have been entertained by the none other than Rastaman, the latest musician in town. Kaduna Little Finger Elirufaya. Nigeria has happened to him. Nigeria don't happen to him. He's crying up and down. He has not seen anything. But according to you people's position, ring nǹkankan, ring nǹkankan, ring nǹkankan, ring nǹkankan. Rufai was like, Uma dekede wa dojú ẹ báyìí sẹ́yìn. Well, Elirufai is speaking gibberish. He's speaking balabulu bulubula. He's speaking reggae, rastafarian, balabulu bulubula. She's cool nonsense. So thanks for listening to me. Until I come your way again.